Shout out to Fizzy Jammer 2 for this bad trade. This is a rare item out there. And sorry to Hyena Bot for this okay trade. I would accept it, but I'm not accepting it in this video. B9081 for this bad trade. None of these are worth it. So sorry. Up to LGMOOR03. This is okay trade. I need part. To Hannah Banana 911. And this girl. Okay. Well, I declined this trade. It's bad. Shout out to Kiki23 the best for this really bad trade. Okay, let's just not. Yeah. Shout out to Green Ninja 009. Is this bad idea? No. Hey, by the way, I met my friend on Musical.ly, and my Musical.ly account is Against Twilight, so go follow them. Okay. This is the baddest trade, but shout out to Isabella 67251 for this really bad trade. But I'm never going to accept this. Shout out to Sparkle Cute with 0 for this bad trade, but I'm gonna ask her if she wants to add. Oh, okay. 3 Tails Fox. But this is not. It is a fair trade, but I'm not going to accept anything in this one. Sorry. Shout out to Rainbow Power 281 for this very bad trade. Not accepting anything, by the way. So, I already gave this person a shout out, but he's trading me again, and I'm not accepting this video. Sorry. So I know this is a troll, but I'm declining everything anyways. Shout out to Blossom Rose 716. Yeah, you know what I'm gonna say. Shout out to Jaden R26 for this, you know what I'm gonna say. To Secrets 1024 for this good trade, but I'm not accepting anything else. So. But I would accept that. Shout out to Aquarius Wolf 12 for this bad, you know. Shout out to Little Toothless 99 for this trade. Shout out to Very Cute Girl 2007 for gifting me for my video, but I accidentally opened it already. And someone just jacked me. Oh my, what's happening? Okay, I'm so confused.